Who invented the adding machine? Adding machine is also known by the name Pascaline. I will write here Pascaline. So Pascaline or adding machine is invented by Blaise Pascal. Answer is Roman number 4, Blaise Pascal. So Blaise Pascal invented this calculating machine in 1642. Second one, Howard Aiken invented the machine called. Howard Aiken invented automatic sequence control calculator. So it is also known by the name Mark I. Third one, not an attribute of information. Not an attribute of information. First one, accuracy, it's correct. Second one is the answer because size is not an attribute. Third one and fourth one, both are attributes. Fourth one, consider the following statements. Which of the above is or are true? A is keyboard is an input device. It's correct. B, monitor is an output device. It's also correct. C, flash drive is a storage device. It's also correct. So all the answers are correct. Answer is Roman number 4, all A, B and C. Fifth one, under which of the following categories, this should be C, under which of the following categories is a personal digital assistant classified? So what is personal digital assistance? The short form is PDA. PDA is a small networked computers which can be kept in our palm. So it's a palm sized computer. I'll write the definition of it. PDA is a networked computer. So answer is first one, microcomputer. Now let's move to the second page. Disadvantage of a microcomputer than a mini computer. Answer is Roman number 4, less memory capacity. Because when compare mini computers with the microcomputers, mini computers store high memory capacity than microcomputer. Seventh one, which of the following is not a way of giving information as the output? Not a way of giving information. First one is correct. Soft copy means the output that can be took by monitors or a screen, and there is no word like live copy, so the answer is second one. Third one is also correct, that means the output that is given by printers, or we can say printouts. Sound copy also correct, the outputs that is given by speakers. Eighth one, an example for non-impact printer is, answer is thermal printer. Printers can be divided into two types as impact and non-impact printer. Ninth one, the smallest unit of information is, so we know the smallest unit is a bit. So a nibble. Nibble means 4 bits. By joining 4 bits, a nibble is formed, and by joining 8 bits, a byte is formed. 10th one, an example for volatile memory. Volatile memory means the memory that stores data temporarily. I'll write the definition of volatile memory. Memory that stores data temporarily when the So this is the definition of volatile memory. There are two types of memory as non-volatile also. Non-volatile means the memory that stores data permanently. The answer is the first one because they are asking volatile memory. Answer is random access memory. 11th one. Which of the following is not a secondary storage media? There are 3 types of secondary storage media. They are solid state, magnetic state and optical state. Both the first 3 answers are correct. Answer is 4th one, static media. So examples of solid state media are memory cards, flash drives, like that. I'll write the examples. Memory cards, USB, that means flash drives. And magnetic media examples, hard disk, floppy disk, magnetic tapes. And optical media examples, optical media, CDs, DVDs and Blu-ray. Now the 12th question. Consider the following statements. Which of the above is or are true? First one, magnetic tapes are used to back up data and information in server computers. First one is correct. A is correct. B, hard disk is an example for read-write memory. It's also correct. B1 also correct. C, magnetic media are used for read and write data and information in compact disk. Compact disk is an example for optical media. So it's wrong. So what are the true statements? They are A and B only. The answer is Roman number 3, A and B. A and B only. Thirteenth question. A74 base 16 hexadecimal is equals to. In here, A representing 10. So the four answers bases are 8. So we have to convert this hexadecimal into octal. When converting hexadecimal to octal, we should know the binary numbers of A74. So we should find the binary values separately. So let's find the binary values. A, 7 and 4. So I am using the table. A is representing 1010. 1010. And 7 is representing 011. 0111. And 4 representing 0100. 0100. And the next step is, after finding the binary values separately, we should join all the binary values and write. So this is the binary value of A74 base 16. To find the octal value, we have to divide this binary value 3 by 3. So let's divide it. I am writing by keeping some spaces so it's easy to divide. 3 by 3. After separating into three digits, we have to find the octal number relevant to these binary numbers. So let's find it. I'm going to the table. First one is 100. So 100 is in here. That means the octal number is 4. Octal number is 4. And next one is 110. 110 is in here, so the relevant octal number is 6. 6. And next one is 001. In 001, the relevant octal number is 1. So we can write 1. And next one is 101. 101. This is, so the answer is 5. And the last step, we should join these together. Not by adding, just joining 1, 6. So this is the octal number relevant to the hexadecimal A74 base 16. So the answer is Roman number 2, 5164 base 8. So that's the method how we find the 13th one. And then let's move to the next page. The 14th question, the decimal number 839 is equal to all these answers, the bases are 16. That means we have to convert this decimal number to hexadecimal number. Decimal number to hexadecimal number. Before converting decimal number to hexadecimal, the first step is to we should convert this decimal number into binary number. So let's find what is the binary number of this. (839) divide by 2. 2 times 4, 2 times 1, 2 times 9, 1 is remaining. In this one, 2 times 2, 2 times 0, again 2 times 9, again 1 is remaining. And in here, 1, 0, and then 4. Again 1 is remaining. In here, 5 and 2, 0 remaining. After that, in here 2, 6, 0 remaining. This one 1, 3, 0 remaining. 2 times 6, 12, then 1 remaining. Then 2 times 3, 6, 0 remaining. Then 2 times 1, 1 remaining. After that, we have to write the binary number like this. So what is the binary number? Equal to 839. 839 is equal to the binary number 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 base 2. Now the next step was because the base is 16, we have to separate the binary number into 4 digits. So let's separate 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1. So we have to separate from right to left. That means this side we have to separate 4 by 4. Now in this one there is only 1 and 1. So we can add 2 zeros in front of the number. Now let's find what are the relevant hexadecimal is equal to these binary digits. I am going to the table 0 1 1 1. 0 1 1 1 is 7. 7 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. So it's 4. It's 4. Next one is 0 and double 1. 0 and double 1. It is 3. And after that, we'll write these values by combining them, not by adding. Then the answer is 347 base 16 is equal to the decimal number 839 base 10. So the answer is second one, 347 base 16. Next one is 15th one. Binary coded decimal equivalent to 94 is. Binary coded decimal means BCD. Binary coded decimal means BCD. So they are asking what is the BCD, that means binary coded decimal equal to 94 94. So how to find? I'll help you how to find it. 9, we should find the binary number equal to 9. So let's find 9, 2, 2 times 4, 1 remaining. Next one is 2, 2 times 2, 4, 0 remaining. Next one is 2 times 1, 0, 0 is remaining. So what is the binary number is 1 0 0 1 base 2. Don't write base 2. Next one is 4. 4, 2 times 2, 0 remaining. 2 times 1, 0 remaining. Then the answer is 1 0 0. But this is wrong because in BCD there should be 4 bits. The data representing is using by 4 bits. So we should add a 0 in front of this one. After that 9 is representing 1 0 0 1. 4 is representing 0 1 0 0. After that just connecting these two. 1 0 0 1, 0 1 0 0. You can keep the answer like this, or if you like you can put a bracket and write the base as BCD. In here there is the answer is not given. On 16th question, unequal of decimal number 25. So asking us about the unequal value for 25. Unequal decimal number. Decimal number 25, that means unequal of 25 base 10 is. Let's find the binary of this 25. Binary of this 25. So 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 1 remaining. 2 times 6, 0 remaining. 2 times 3, 0 remaining, and then 2 times 1, 1 remaining. So you should write in this way: 1 1 0 0 and 1. So we can simply take that the answer is the wrong answer, or the unequal 25 base 10 is 1 1 0 1 base 2, because we find the binary value. When converting this into octal number, we will see whether this one is correct or wrong. I'll put another more 3 zeros in here, because as this is a hexadecimal number, not an octal number. One zero zero one. 1001. It's equal to 9. It's equal to 9. And next one 0001, it's already equal to 1. So this also correct. This one also correct. This one also correct. And I'll show you how to find the octal number of this sum. This one is the answer for this. One, 0, 0, 1. When converting the binary into octal, we have to divide the digits separately into 3 groups, 3 by 3. That means this side from this side we should divide, separate. So 1, 0, 0, 1, you know it's equal to 1. 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1. It's equal to 3. So this one also correct. The unequal decimal number 25 is 11101 base 2. 17th question. 16 characters can be represented in BCD code. The BCD value of decimal 8. So in here, what is BCD? BCD means B is representing binary. Wait. BCD, binary, coding, decimal, value. So this is very easy. BCD is very easy because we have to find the 8 base 10's binary value. So you know how to find 8 should be divided by 2, then 4, 0 remainders, and again 4 should be divided by 2, then 2 times 2 4, then again 0 remaining, and then 2 times 1 2, 0 remaining. So the answer is Roman number 4, 1000 BCD. But BCD is finding by the binary value, but there are 2 specialties in BCD. I'll show you what are the 2 specialties of BCD. First one is this code represent 4 bits. It means for an example, when we take when a question is given, the answer is coming the BCD value is coming as 0 1 1. So there are 3 bits, but in BCD we should represent 4 bits. So we can write another 0 in front of this value, and then we can take it as a BCD value. And the next specialty is second specialty is can use only in decimal numbers. It means the BCD value can be found only in decimal numbers. Now, for an example, the 17th question is asking the BCD value of decimal 8. So it's correct. If someone asks the BCD value of octal base 7 like something, it's wrong, because BCD value is only used in decimal numbers. So they are the 2 specialties of BCD when compared with the binary numbers. Next page. Question number 18. if x equal 1010 base 2 and y equal 111 base 2, the value of this should be x plus y is. Let's find what is the value of x plus y. X plus y. Then 1 0 1 0 1 1 1. Then 0 1 1. In binary 1 1 equal 2, but in binary here if the answer is coming 2, we should keep here 0 and that 1 should be brought down here. So how I took it is, I divided the 2 by 2, then answer is 1, remainder 0. So this remainder is keep in here and this 1 is going to here. That's the method. And again 1 plus 1 is 2. Then again I am put the remainder here and the 1 I am transferred to the next side, and after that 1 1 again I am putting the remainder here. There are no 1, so I just write here 1. After that, now first is to convert the binary into hexadecimal. So I'll see whether the answer will be in hexadecimal is correct. So the first step is to divide these, separate the answer into 4 by 4 in order to convert into hexadecimal. Here 0 0 0. Next I am referring that table. So you all know that 0 0 0 1 is 1. This is 1, hexadecimal is 1. So this is 1 and this is 1. After that we are joining this one. So 11 base 16 is the answer. So for 18th one, the answer is Roman number 1, 11 base 16. So let's move to the 19th question. What is the base value of the number system that consists of the digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? So it is a octal number pattern. So how many? The base value is 8. I will show you the table of octal value. You can see there are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now the next page, question number 20, which cannot be the result after deduct 1 from the number with unknown base. In here the question, in this question the base is not given. So we can take the base either 2, 8, 16 like that. Now if I take the number 1000 and 1 as the binary number, base is 2 if I take, then here in here 0, in here also 0, in here also 0. So I am taking 1 from this side, that means in here it become 2, and after that from this 2 I am taking 1 and this become 1 and this become 2, and from here also I am taking a 1, that means 2, but this become 1. So 2 subtract 1, 1, 1, 1. And now the next one. If I take the base as, and if I take the base as 10, that means the decimal base 10. So 1000 is 1001 and I am now subtracting. This is the base 10 answer. And after that if I take the base as 16, base is 16, 1000 subtract 1, 1000 subtract 1. In this one also we should do the binary method. That means in here 0, so we can't subtract, no. Then we have to take 1 from here. 1 means in here it is 16, it will be 16. And after that I am taking another 1 from here. That means this becomes 16, this becomes 15. Here also if I take, and after that I am taking again another 1 from here, so this becomes 15. 16 minus 1, it is 15, 15, 15. So there are 315. I can't keep this answer like this. So 15 I am converting into the hexadecimal form. I am referring the table. You can see 5. Sorry, not this way. You can see 15 denoted 5, F. So 15 denoted F. That means a answer will be F, F, F. Now when consider the above 4 answers, this one is a result. So this is not the answer. This one is also result. This is also not the answer. But when considering the third one is not a result. Answer is Roman number 3, 4 ones, that means 1, 1, 1, 1. And fourth one is also correct. So this is also not a result. 21st question. What is the MSD and LSD of the binary 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0? So MSD means most significant digit. LSD is least significant digit. Only these two differences. This is most, this is least. So asking the most and least. In here so what is the most significant digit? This is the most significant digit, this one, because 0 has no value. 0 has no value. So this is the most significant digit. And in least significant digit, 0 is the answer. So the answer is this one, 1 and 0. 22nd one, which is the value equal to 3 times 2 to the power 20 byte. Before doing this question, I just write the relationship between the units. So 4 bits is equal to 1 nibble, and after that 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. And next one is next one is 1024 bytes is equal to 1 KB, that means kilobyte, right? 1024 KB is equal to 1 MB, that means megabyte. 1024 MB equal 1 GB means gigabyte. 1024 is equal to 1 TB. TB is also known as terabyte. The full form 1024 is equal to TB is equal to 1 TB. TB means petabyte. 1024. This 1024, it means this 1024 is equal to 2 to the power 10. 2 to the power 10. And in here they given 2 to the power 20. They give us 2 to the power 20. That means 2 to the power 10 should be multiplied by 2. Then just leave 3. Forgot 3 and I am taking this 2 to the power 20 byte. Then 2 to the power 20 means 1024 into 1024. Why it given as 2 to the power 20, no? Then we should multiply. I'll multiply and show you. 1024 into 1024. I'll show you how to multiply. Then 4 times 4 16, 4 times 2 8, 1 remaining 9, 4 times 0 0, 4 times 1 4. And next one 2 times 4 8, 2 times 2 4, 2 times 0 0, 2 times 1 2. In here 0, next one is 0 and next one is 4 0, sorry, 4, this one is 2 and 0 and 1. Then 6 9 8 17, 1 remaining 5, 4 4 8, 2 2 4, 0 and next 1. So answer is 1 0 4 8 5 7 6 bytes, right? Bytes. Now I am going to convert these bytes, that means this byte into kilobyte. So what should I do? I should divide by 1024. 1,048,576 should be divided by 1024. Right. I'll show you how to divide. Right. Eight, 5, 7, 6 divide by So 1024 times 1. 844 4 minus 2 2. There are no values to 245 because we can say because 1024 also greater than 245. Therefore 0, and I am moving down the 7 into down, moving down 7. Then 1024 times we'll see 2. Then how much? 2 times 4 8, 2 times 2 4, 0 and 2. Then 7 8 can't subtract, so we have to take 1 from here. So answer is 9. Here 0 and here 4. And I am moving down the 6. Let's take 1024 times 4 equal. Then 4 times 4 16. 4 times 2 8, 1 remaining 9. 4 times 0 0 and 4 times 1 4. Right. So how many kilobytes? 1024 kilobytes. And now I am taking this 3. Forget 3, I am taking. Then the answer will be 3 into 1024 4 KB. So Roman number 4 is the answer. Right. Let's move to the 23rd question. 23rd one, which hexadecimal value is equal to binary 111111? Right. Asking the hexadecimal value. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So what is the step for converting binary to hexadecimal? We should divide the hexadecimal value into 4 by 4. Let's let's separate this one 4 by 4 like this. Then what will be getting in here? 50. I'll show you with the table. The answer is F. Answer is F. 15 here also 50. Then answer will be F. Then we are joining this, not adding. Then answer is F base 16. So Roman number 2 is correct, but the one should be cut, because in hexadecimal 1 also has a value, therefore 1 is cut. Then Roman number 2 is we can get as the answer. Right. Let's move to the next page. Low capacity of storage device is. There are 4 answers given: hard disk, compact disk, digital versatile disk, floppy disk. I'll write the capacities. Answer is floppy disk, because floppy disk is not popular in these days, and also it has the lowest data storage capacity. When you consider about hard disk has 200, the capacity is 200. 200 GB to 4 TB. When considering the compact disc or CD, it holds 650 to 900 MB. 600 MB to 900 MB. And digital versatile disc, it holds, digital versatile means DVDs, it holds 4.72 to 9.4 GB. 4.7 GB to 9.4 GB. When considering the floppy disk, the lowest capacity 80 KB to 1.44 MB. 80 KB to 1.44 MB. So we can tell that the low capacity of storage device is floppy disk. And next one, 25th one, the printer that can be taken quality printouts. So you know the answer is laser printer. 26th one, the data producer or the place where the data is produced for data transmission. In here the question is asking the data producer or the place. There are 3 basic components required for data communication. They are sender, so the sender is giving a message through a media. To whom? To receiver. To receiver. This medium can be guided or unguided. That means wired or wireless. This medium can be. And now in here asking the data producer or the place. So who is the data producer? The data producer is the sender. Receiver is data receiver or the place where the data is received. 27th question. Client computing computer network is known as client computer. The main computer is known by the name server. So he is the one who gives orders to other computers. He is the one who gives orders to other computers. This type, the orders receiving by some types of computers, these computers are known as client computers. So first one is the computer which controls every work. This is going to server computer, the computer which provides necessary services for a computer network. This is also not. The answer is third one, the computer which receives the services in a computer network. Client computers receives the services in computer network by server computer. 28th question. The unit megahertz is used for. There are 4 answers: to measure the capacity of random access memory, to measure the capacity of clock speed, to measure the capacity of hard disk, to measure the speed of data transmission speed. So answer is second one, because megahertz is used for measure the speed or the capacity of electronic devices. So most suitable answer is second one. So this is the answer. 29th one. Which of the following is not a pointing device? Not a pointing device. Touchpad is a pointing device, trackball is a pointing device, joystick is a pointing device, Barcode read is not a pointing device. Barcode read is used to measure barcodes, not measure, reads the barcode. QWERTY is connected with. You know QWERTY? This is a picture of keyboard. So you can see the QWERTY letters. Q. Wait, I'll show you. You can see the QWERTY word. QWERTY. QWERTY. So it is connected with then the keyboard. Answer is first one, the keyboard. 31st question. The instructions for starting the computer are housed on. The instructions. So when a computer is start, 31st question. The instructions for starting the computer are housed on. When starting a computer, some instructions on a black screen is going. So the instructions are known as boot up instructions. So these boot up processes are stored in ROM. So answer will be read only memory. 32nd question number 32 can be considered as raw data. Raw data means unmeaningful or unprocessed facts. I just write the meaning. So I wrote the meaning unprocessed facts which do not have any meaning. So when consider these four answers, GCE A-level examination result and ESET score of GCE A-level examination result, average marks of GCE A-level, list of top 10 in GCE A-level. To do these three processes, we need GCE A-level examination result. So raw data can be taken as this one. Because of these results only we can process about this ESET score of examination results, average marks of students, and also we can find from this data the list of top 10 in GCE A-level. According to the question number 32 can be considered as information. So the rest of these three answers can be considered as the information. So answer is 2, 3 and 4. Let's move to the other page. Which of the following performs modulation and demodulation in data communication? So answer is Roman number 4, modem. The modem's purpose is to convert analog signals to digital signals and digital signals to analog signals. So how this modem word formed? By these, in modulation the first two words MO letters, and in demodulation the first three letters. These three letters and these two letters form together and make the word modem. So it's easy to find. And now the question number 35. Select the incorrect statement regarding audio ports. Incorrect statement regarding the audio port. I think you know audio port. This is the audio port. So you can see there are 1, 2, 3 ports. The pink color one. Pink color one is used to connect the microphone. Pink color one. And this is blue color one is line in. And this one is line out. You can see the symbols in here like this way you can see, and the arrow is moving like this, and in line in what happened like this, and the arrow is moving in. So this is line in, green is line out. And you can connect headphones. Now let's see the incorrect statement. First one, audio port is used to connect speakers, microphones and external sound generating devices. It's correct. Second one, line in is used to input sounds. It also correct. Line in is used to input sounds. Line out is the color pink. Pink is not the color of line out. Line out's color is green color. So the incorrect statement is Roman number 3. Line out is in pink color. 36th question. SchoolNet is a network that connects 1,000 secondary schools, 100 computer resource centers and many other institutions relating to education across Sri Lanka. Which of the following network type is most appropriate? There are, so Bluetooth network, it is not a network. 3 main networks as LAN, MAN and WAN. In here there is a network named SchoolNet, and there are 1,000 secondary schools and 100 computer resource centers and many other institutes. So we can tell that this type of network is metropolitan area network because there are many branches across Sri Lanka. And also we can say that it may be some combination of lands. Answer is second one, metropolitan area network. Which of the following computerized medical equipment uses radio waves technology? MRI scanner is using radio wave technology. 38th question. Selection of a suitable communication media is extremely crucial in expecting good performance from the network. If you only consider the high-speed data transmission, what will be your selection? So the selection will be fiber optical cables. 39 question. Question number 39. What is the correct answer for a feature of portable computer? So what is the correct answer for a feature? What is the correct answer for a feature of a portable computer? So the most suitable answer will be small, because we can't take all of the above, because the Roman number 3 is they are telling LCD screen is a feature. It's not a feature because we can use either LCD, LED like that. And the last question is the founder of www is Tim Berners-Lee. So this is the answer for last question.